Ever wondered what makes Calgary, Alberta, Canada a city worth exploring? Well, let's journey together through the heart of this vibrant metropolis, where history, culture, and innovative architecture intertwine to create a unique tapestry that is Calgary. Nestled in the shadow of the Rocky Mountains, Calgary is a city that embodies the spirit of the West. It's a place where the old meets the new, the traditional intertwines with the modern, and the natural beauty melds with human ingenuity. The city's skyline is punctuated by the towering Calgary Tower, a testament to the city's ambitious spirit and its constant strive for growth. It stands tall, a beacon of Calgary's resilience and forward-thinking attitude. As we move through the city, the Calgary Peace Bridge comes into view. This stunning piece of architecture is not only a conduit for people to cross the Bow River, but it's also a symbol of unity and peace, capturing the essence of Calgary's inclusive and harmonious community. Next, we delve into the past at the Heritage Park, a living history museum that offers a glimpse into Calgary's roots. This historic park is a gateway to yesteryears, where visitors can experience the life and times of the pioneers who laid the groundwork for the city we see today. Finally, we find tranquility at Prince's Island Park. An urban oasis in the midst of the bustling city, this park is a testament to Calgary's commitment to preserving its natural beauty. It's a place where city dwellers and visitors alike can escape the urban hustle and immerse themselves in the serene surroundings. These landmarks, each with its unique story and charm, are the threads that weave together to form the rich tapestry that is Calgary. They are the cornerstones of the city's identity, embodying its history, culture, and spirit. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey as we delve deeper into each of these landmarks. Stay tuned as we unveil the captivating charm of each of these landmarks. First stop, the Calgary Tower, a symbol of the city's progress and ambition. This towering beacon of Calgary's skyline has been an integral part of the city since its unveiling back in the late 1960s. It was constructed during a period of swift economic growth, a testament to Calgary's relentless pursuit of progress and development. The tower stands as a tangible symbol of Calgary's ambitious spirit, and it's a story that's as much about the people of Calgary as it is about the city itself. Standing at a height of over 620 feet, the Calgary Tower is more than just a tall structure. It's a marvel of modern engineering and design. Its sleek cylindrical form is a nod to the future, while its robust construction speaks to the city's roots in the oil and gas industry. But what makes the Calgary Tower a must-visit spot? Well, it's not just about the breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding Rocky Mountains, though that is certainly a highlight. It's also about the experiences that the tower offers. From the thrilling glass floor observation deck that gives you a bird's eye view of the city below, to the revolving Sky 360 restaurant that offers a dining experience like no other, the Calgary Tower is full of surprises. It's also home to the highest 360-degree observation deck in the world, a feat that makes it an architectural marvel. And let's not forget about the tower's iconic flame, a feature that's lit during special occasions and serves as a beacon of celebration. In essence, the Calgary Tower is not just an architectural marvel or a tourist hotspot. It's a living, breathing symbol of Calgary's past, present, and future. It's a monument that tells the story of a city that's always moving forward, always reaching for the sky. From this towering landmark, we move on to a masterpiece of contemporary design. Welcome to the Calgary Peace Bridge, a testament to Calgary's commitment to artistic innovation. This is not your average pedestrian bridge. This is a marvel of modern design, an iconic city symbol, and a testament to Calgary's commitment to innovative, functional art. The Calgary Peace Bridge, a tube-like structure with a striking red and white colour scheme, is as much a work of art as it is a pedestrian and cycling bridge across the Bow River. Designed by renowned Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava, this bridge is a masterpiece of engineering. It's a helical steel structure with glass roofing, allowing natural light to filter through during the day and creating an enchanting glow at night. It's an all-season bridge, designed to stand up to Calgary's harsh winters, while providing a safe and pleasant passage for pedestrians and cyclists alike. The story behind its creation is just as unique as the bridge itself. The city wanted a pedestrian bridge that would be a work of art. They wanted something that would not only serve a practical purpose, but also enhance the cityscape, and become a symbol of Calgary's innovative spirit. And so the Peace Bridge was born. This bridge isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about celebrating Calgary's commitment to art, design and community. It's about creating a space where people can come together, cross paths and enjoy the beauty of this city. From this architectural marvel, we journey into the past at our next stop. Step back in time with us at Heritage Park, a living history museum that brings Calgary's past to life. Imagine a place where the hustle and bustle of modern life are replaced by the scent of fresh-baked bread, the clip-clop of horse hooves, and the warmth of a crackling fire. That's the magic of Heritage Park. This park is a testament to Calgary's rich history, with over 180 attractions and exhibits that authentically recreate Western Canadian heritage. From the fur trading era of the 1860s to the roaring oil boom of the 1940s, it's a journey through time that's as educational as it is entertaining. One of the park's main attractions is the historical village, where visitors can experience life as it was over a century ago. You can take a ride on a fully restored steam train, marvel at the antique automobiles, or learn about traditional blacksmithing techniques. Heritage Park is more than just a museum. It's a vibrant, interactive experience that immerses visitors in the sights, sounds and stories of a bygone era. It plays an invaluable role in preserving Calgary's heritage, ensuring that the spirit of the past continues to inspire future generations. From the echoes of the past, we now head to a place of tranquility in the heart of the city. End the tour at Princes Island Park, a haven of peace amidst Calgary's bustling cityscape. This lush oasis, located in the heart of the city, has an intriguing history that dates back to the late 19th century. Once owned by Peter Anthony Prince, a lumberman from Quebec, this piece of land was transformed into a park in 1947, becoming a symbol of tranquility and natural beauty in the urban environment. The park is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to a myriad of flora and fauna. From the Canadian geese that gracefully glide across the lagoon, to the spruce and poplar trees that stand tall and proud, life flourishes in every corner. It's not uncommon to spot a hare darting through the undergrowth, or hear the melodic chirping of a songbird perched high in the trees. Each season brings a new palette of colours and textures to the park, making every visit a unique experience. Princes Island Park is more than just a green space. It's a hub of activity and community engagement. It offers a range of activities that cater to all age groups and interests. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast who enjoys jogging along the scenic pathways, a nature lover keen on bird watching, or a family looking for a fun picnic spot, there's something for everyone here. The park is also the venue for many of Calgary's popular events, including the annual Canada Day celebrations and the Calgary Folk Music Festival. This verdant sanctuary is a favourite gathering spot for both locals and tourists. It's a place where people come to relax, to play, to connect with nature, and to create memories. It's a testament to Calgary's commitment to preserving its natural heritage while embracing urban growth and development. As we end our tour, remember that Calgary is not just a city, but a vibrant tapestry of history, culture and natural beauty. A city of contrast and diversity, Calgary offers an eclectic mix of the historic and the modern. From the towering majesty of Calgary Tower to the innovative design of the Peace Bridge, the time-honoured tales of Heritage Park to the tranquil beauty of Princes Island Park, each landmark holds a unique charm. These landmarks are but a taste of what Calgary has in store, so why not experience it for yourself? Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Calgary. Until next time, keep exploring.